From an aesthetics point of view, this car is nice, but my WagonR is not nice. That's why I got it for approximately $900. We have a lot of scuffing on this side. The lines here are completely clean, and the driver's side skirt is fine. All this is just kind of like surface stuff. That's totally cool. There's a little bit of clear coat wear on that, but you can always buy another handle. So this side isn't of any concern. Everything seems pretty good to go, except for the fact that I got bird poo-pooed on today. This fender is also really nice. That's all good. Now the troubles arise when we start to get to the front and the passenger side. This hood, I have a lot of clear coat, fade right here. Multiple spots too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. At this point, it's probably worth buying a new hood. And I don't say that lightly, like I'm all about wasting and everything like that. It's just, the reality is that this is probably going to cost me $200 to repaint when I can get a moderate, normal hood on Yahoo Auctions for like 110. And if you don't believe me, check this out. This fender has damage here. See right there? It's all damaged and it's dented, and this is pinched right here. Now, I'm not about to repair this fender. It doesn't make sense for me to take this fender off, send it into a shop, or even just have them fix it. No, you know what? They couldn't fix it like that because they wouldn't Bondo that. They would hammer that out, smooth it, sand it, paint it. So they would have to take the fender off. That makes no sense. Reason being, that would cost me $200 to get that done. But if you go into my shack here, I just bought a fender on Yahoo Auctions. I'll put the overlay on the video here. You'll see how much I paid for it, which is significantly less delivered to my house to just swap it out. That one has a few scratches on it. This one is dented, damaged, dirty gonzos. Ain't gonna do that. So we have our side skirt here too. We have a little bit of damage down here, but nothing we can't fix with a little bit of spray. Now this is the worst part, and this is the part, actually this is not the worst part, and I'll put it on the screen again. I can buy a door for like 150 bucks, which I'm probably going to do because it would just be taking that off, taking the mounts right there, and then the cable. Easy enough. The problem is here. That is full-blown ass damage. I don't know how that happened. Someone dug into that hard, and that's solid steel. So what I'm gonna do is I have to sand all the way up to there, get that rust off, and then Bondo it basically with putty. They call pate here. So I'm going to do that because I can do that, and that's the most I'll do. I'm not gonna do the rest. I might just buy a replacement door because look at this. You tell me how that happened. Look at this pinch. And you might say, oh, something got jammed in there. This door is fine. Look. Completely fine. I'm almost thinking they swapped the front door. Because look, that is an absolute pinch, man. It's like, I don't know how that even happened. You know what, I'm probably gonna do that. I can take this fender off, which requires me to take the hood and the bumper off, and the side skirt, because the side skirt's, it's skipped a clip here, and I'd like to just get it done properly. So that's what I'm gonna do there, and then I'm going to just take this right here, which is ZED. ZED is the paint color code for the purple, midnight purple WagonR Limited 2008 MH22S. Put that on the screen. And we're going to do some touch-ups because this is the easiest way we're going to just kind of clean this up and pretty it up. We're just going to look for all the little nicks and knacks and patty whacks and basically just go once over the car, spray it down, and we're going to repair what we can. That side is already looking worlds cleaner, so that one's good. You know, I'm not gonna do... I could do the hood, because technically the paint's not gone. The paint is there. It's the clear coat that's gone. I'm not gonna do the front just yet. I gotta take the bumper off. This is all chewed. Might actually have to sand that down. So you can see that's pretty smooth, but this is it's actually, there's a height difference there, so I might have to sand that down before I paint it. Not doing a fender. This door is okay. That door's been replaced. It had to have been. Not doing this door. Oh yeah, maybe do the side skirt real quick. It's a little bit chewed as well, but can at least clean up the color. All right, good progress. We got our warning stickers, got our exhaust on a couple days back, did some paint touch-ups. I think that's good for now. What we are going to do next is, we're not going to do an intake yet because we have to wait till our shotgun expires, pass it, and then I'll do an intake. Probably the next thing we're going to be doing is that fender. So that, I believe, for now, should be everything. If you guys have any kind of things you want us to do, if you want us to film anything, if you want to see anything on any of these cars, even that little GTR right there, it's broken, let us know, because we want to make stuff that you want to watch, not stuff that we want to make necessarily. Of course, we want to make things we want to make, but gonna be a lot on the WagonR Limited. Tons of stuff coming up on this guy.